Okay, here we go, folks. Again, we came here today to do some more work on the car. The first thing that we put on here was the new carbon grille from Sebon, and it looks really, really good. It's pretty awesome. Obviously, we got more air going directly to the radiator that's sitting right there, so we're getting some cooling. But the thing that we want to talk about today is the oil catch can, which there's a lot of debate online whether or not oil catch cans are useful. Do you need it? Does it work? Is it really working? So here we're looking. This was what? AFE?
This manufacturer?
Yeah, the manufacturer.
HPI.
So this is the HPI catch can here. Get a close eye. And it's been 1 month since we put it on, and so now we're gonna take a look to see if it catches anything. That's the whole name of it, oil catch can. So, geez, how are we gonna do this?
Here we are preparing.
Okay, so got everything here. We're about to get the drain.
Yeah, this. I need the spanner. Oh.
Okay, I need to get a spanner here. You can see what we've done here with the tubing. Obviously, we wanted to protect the tubes from heat. It's not just that outer tubing, but you can also see that. Hold on, trying to get the camera right in there. Really hard to get that camera right where that angle is. It's gold wrapped on the inside, and then got the tubing here.
The drain board. How big is it? 14?
Yeah, 14. Let's take a look at this.
It's pretty tight.
And basically loosen up the bottom of it.
Alright, there's
Drop.
nothing there. It's very dry.
Okay,
A little bit oily, but dry.
a little bit.
Little bit, yeah.
Oily.
It's a little bit oily. Let's try it.
Keep in mind that the car is still relatively new. I mean, it's new. It still has
a little
under
bit.
4,000 kilometers. We're getting just like little drops at the most. It's
Yeah.
just moist at the bottom.
You can see the gauge. There's nothing here. So it's at least below the gauge. So when I open it, it's completely dry. There's a little bit of oil there.
So I think that's a good thing. Of course, the way that the engine is performing and what it's catching. But again, it's only been a month. So I would imagine that I would only have to check this thing maybe,
Half year,
yeah, after
3
a half
months.
year.
3 months. At least when you see there anything between the gauge. For example, oil like here, maximum. That's the timing when you drain it.
All right.
You don't have to worry now. Worry about it now. Because your car is still new.
Yeah. Well, I feel comfortable with it.
Okay.
And I think that's good news. I mean, yeah, obviously this whole system's running quite well. All right, well that's it. That's all we got. Sorry.
Later
I was hoping to catch some oil, but I'm glad we didn't catch any oil. That's it. At least the oil's not going back into the engine, so. All right.
I'll put that back later.
Okay.